Hi, I'm Katsu, a financial planner. If you want to buy a property in Japan, let's do Japanese property and mortgage. This is data from a real estate services company in the United States. From January to June 2024, Japan's capital region led to the world in real estate investment, increasing 19% year-on-year to $11 billion. By the way, the capital region in Japan refers to Tokyo, Kanagawa, Chiba, and Saitama. In addition to real estate prices due to inbound demand, the inflow of pension investment money is also a major factor. Japanese pension funds are increasing the proportion of alternative assets, of which the proportion of real estate investment on the rise. Real estate investment by pension fund is likely to continue to expand, and we can expect it to support the domestic real estate market. Worldwide real estate investment during the same period fell 4% to $287 billion. In the United States, trading volume fell 10% due to rising interest rate. But in Europe, Africa, and the Middle East, it increased 1%, and in Asia Pacific, it increased 7%. In Japan, the number of tourists visiting the country is increasing due to the weak yen, and investment increasing especially in hotels. In the hotel industry, it is said that Japan was the most active market in the Asia Pacific region. In addition, vacancy rate in office buildings are improving, rents are on the rise, and price of resident apartments are also on the rise. That's the news here. The price of used apartment in city center is rising, and the rise is not stopping. In some areas, there are cases where they are being sold for more than 3 times the price when they were new. The reason for the high price is that Japanese real estate prices are still cheap compared to major cities around the world, and they are attracting support from foreign investors. Let's take a specific look at how much the price have risen compared to when they were new. The real estate company Tokyo Kante investigated apartments that they are about 10 years old. The price in the area around Roppongi Ichome Station was 3.69 times. The price in the area around Higashi Ikebukuro Station was 3.04 times, and the price in the area around Shin Ochanomizu Station was 3.03 times, exceeding 3 times the price in the 3 areas. Tokyo Kante announced that this is the first time that prices have tripled since the survey began in 2003. In the area around Roppongi Ichome Station, the Grand Suite Azabudai was traded for about $1.8 million. But the average price when it was new about $0.67 million. The asset value of the property has increased due to the increased convenience of the property after the commercial facilities Azabudai Hills opened opposite the apartment building. The property that saw the largest increase in price in Higashi Ikebukuro was the Buriria Tower Ikebukuro, which was built in 2015. The average price when it was new was about $0.53 million, but it has now been traded for $2.6 million. It is directly to Higashi Ikebukuro Station by underground passage, making it a highly convenient property. Currently, lead development projects are underway around Ikebukuro Station, and the popularity of property has increased significantly due to the success of urban development. Many of apartments whose value has risen noticeable are due to the Bank of Japan's monetary easing policy that began in 2013. At the time, land prices in Japan was low due to the effect of the Great East Japan earthquake. At the time, when land was cheap, the Bank of Japan introduced monetary easing policy, which led to money flowing into the real estate market and developers building apartments one after another. Since 2023, the weak yen is also contributing to rising real estate prices. Recently, it has returned to around 140 yen to the dollars. But since beginning of the yen is still at a weak level. In addition to real demand in Japan, overseas money has also flowed into apartments in the city center, causing prices to soar. Japanese real estate information channel will continue to provide information on Japanese real estate and mortgage. If you would like to know more about Japanese real estate and mortgage, please subscribe our channel. See you.